Hello, good everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be designing this 3D object. If you're a beginner, this channel is going to help you. Before we start, kindly click on the white button below to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. As you can see, we have the 2D object with the dimensions we need. Now we're going to start with the base using our rectangle. But before then, let's turn our view to southeast isometry. Select square. We have the width to be 120 and the length to be 100. Let's rectangle 100. Click on the tab button on your keyboard. 120. Enter. This has this curve has a radius of 30. We select our fillet, impute the radius 30. Enter. Select multiple. Now we have on the next circle, the radius of 15. Then from this point to this point we have 60. So we're going to copy this from this point to this point. 15. Enter. So 15. Line. You select trim to trim up the necessary point. Now press pull this. The thickness is 20. To draw this, we're going to turn our view to right view because it's facing this way. We're going to turn our view to right view. We're going to use square to form this. We have the length to be 120 and the width to be 30. Then click on the tab button on your keyboard. 30. Impute 30. Enter. You have this curve. The radius is 20. Select fillet. Impute the radius 20. Enter. Click on multiple. Select fillet. The radius is 20. Enter. Click on multiple. Enter. Select this. Select this. Select this. Select this. Now we have the radius, the inner circle, the radius of 6, and from this point to this point, okay, the inner circle has the radius of 6. We can find our center point. Let's turn this to the right view from here. fillet. This has the radius of 6. You can also get it by using our line. From this point to this point, you have 20. So select line. Use line. 20. Enter. The center of this is 10. The center is 15. Enter. And then the length from this point to this point is 80. 80. Enter. And now draw our radius. 6. Enter. Select the trim tool. Return our view again to southeast isometry. And press pull this. Which has a thickness of 20. Now I'm going to join the two objects. Okay, move from this edge to this edge. Or if you check this, there is no line here, so we are going to remove this line by unioning the two objects. Select union. Enter. We can now delete this line. Let's turn our view to the wireframe. You can also paint this. You want to color it by right clicking on the object. By clicking on the object, color, click on F1. So this is how we color. You can see your color here on extrude it. So this is how we color. If you want to also change color, you do the same thing with the click.